Metal spinning, or form spinning, is a method of seamless and non-cutting metal forming that has been used for more than 100 years. Many different shapes and products can be made in this way. Funnels, reflectors, special tubes, rims, from saucepans to aerospace technology. The raw material is usually a circular sheet metal blank, the so-called round blank. This is clamped between the tailstock and the spinning mold. The main spindle starts to turn, and the spinning roller continuously reshapes the material until it rests against the spinning mold. It looks so easy, and that's it, with our Abacus PREMO series spinning machines. Spinning at its best. With the PREMO 600, the smallest machine in the PREMO series, you have a pressing force of up to 30 kilonewton and a blank processing size of up to 600 millimeter. Compact, dynamic, and powerful, the PREMO 1000 is already a strong number with a pressing force of up to 60 kilonewton. Circular blanks with a maximum diameter of 1000 millimeter can be processed here. Strength meets flexibility. The PREMO 1200 is the powerhouse from our PREMO series. It has a pressing force of up to 90 kilonewton. Circular blanks with a maximum of 1200 millimeter can be processed. The machines are controlled via a state-of-the-art touchscreen, which enables simple and very clear operation. The PREMO software, specially developed by Abacus, can be operated intuitively and has a strong visual structure. Individual features can be set up one after the other for the various work steps, individually configured or optionally implemented. That means plenty of space for unlimited possibilities and flexibility. An easy entry for customers without extensive CNC programming experience. For all machines of the PREMO series, there are extensive options that you can put together for your individual needs. These allow a wide range of machining options in a single work step. Turning, punching, drilling, milling, and graving directly in the PREMO spinning machine. Or save time and personnel through partial or full automation of your spinning machine. This turns simple spinning parts into highly complex products. PREMO Smart Service 4.0 is our specially developed maintenance management system of the future. The machine reports the status independently and can therefore be constantly monitored by staff from anywhere. Machine failures are thus minimized and service calls can be planned in advance. The PREMO Spinning Machine series from Abacus is always a technological step ahead. The secret? Everything from a single source. From the construction to the actual mechanical engineering to your own control technology and software. That makes the difference and enables us to configure and optimize every machine according to customer requirements. You buy exactly the right machine for you, exactly what you need for your requirements. The Abacus PREMO spinning machines stand for the highest precision, efficiency, and productivity. 30 years of experience in mechanical engineering make metal spinning look very easy. Benefit from our technology and the ever-increasing possibilities by using our machines for your products. We're looking forward to your inquiry and are ready to assist you. PREMO Global Spinning for Future. Abacus, your spinning machine specialist.